Dear students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. As you know, our syllabus is over. Now there is the time for revision. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter 6, Study of Continents North America. Continents are large land masses on the earth. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. North America is the third largest continent in the world. In this chapter consists of the following topics: formation of continents, location and physical features, case study lumbering in Canada. Earth's continents once formed a single giant landmass which he called Pangaea. Over millions of years, Pangaea slowly broke apart, eventually forming the continents as they are today. Let's recall the important points of this chapter. Physical features. The western cordilleras stretching from Alaska in the north to Panama in the south. The Appalachian Mountains in the east. The Great Plains in the center. The Canadian Shield in the north with the Great Lakes at its southern boundary. Important rivers: Mississippi, Missouri, Mackenzie, Yukon, St. Lawrence, Colorado, Columbia, Rio Grande. Farm products. Important crops: wheat, maize, potato, barley, soybean, cotton, tobacco, sugarcane, sugar beet, bananas, citrus fruit, etc. Animal products: milk, beef. Minerals and fuels: iron ore, copper, gold, silver, lead, zinc, nickel, uranium. Important fossil fuels: coal, petroleum and natural gas. Important cities: New York, Washington, Chicago, Detroit, Boston, Philadelphia, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Montreal, Quebec, Ottawa, Vancouver, Toronto, Mexico City and Havana. Lumbering in Canada. Loggers, men who do the job of felling trees, cutting them into logs of standard sizes and transporting the logs first to landing sites and then to mills. Logging in the past done only in winter, felling and bucking were done with simple hand-driven tools. Cut logs were skidded over snow, usually to frozen rivers, and driven downriver by log drivers in spring. Present-day logging. Felling and bucking are done mostly with power-driven tools and heavy machines. Cut logs can be transported in any season by trucks, trains and sometimes helicopters without dragging them over snow and floating them downriver. less risky and needs lesser physical labor than before. Logging has to be done according to strict forest conservation laws. Logging companies have to replant the areas harvested. Short answers related to this chapter. First one, name the water masses surrounding North America. Answer, North America is bounded by the Pacific Ocean on the west, the Atlantic Ocean on the east, the Arctic Ocean on the north, and the Caribbean Sea on the south. Second, which water body joins the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean? Answer, the Panama Canal, constructed on the Isthmus of Panama and joins the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Third question, name the three largest countries of North America. Answer, North America has three large countries. Canada is the largest, followed by the USA and Mexico. Fourth, which are the four main physical features of North America? Answer, the Western Cordilleras, the Appalachian Mountains, the Great Plains, and the Canadian Shield. Fifth question, which is the most important river of North America? Name its main tributaries. Answer, the Mississippi is the most important river of the continent. Its main tributaries are the Missouri, the Ohio, and the Arkansas. Sixth, where is softwood mainly found in North America? Give a few uses of softwood. Answer, the region stretching from south central Alaska to the northeastern coast of Canada has the coniferous forest region of Canada is one of the largest forest regions. It has large numbers of timber trees. Such trees are an important source of softwood, which is used to make paper, pulp, and plywood. Seventh question, what work do loggers do? Answer, loggers men who do the job of felling trees, cutting them into logs of standard size, and transporting the logs first to landing sites and then to mills. Give reasons for the following. First one, we know that the present continents were once joined together. Answer, about 250 million years ago, all the present continents were joined into one huge continent stretching from the North Pole to the South Pole. We call this supercontinent Pangaea. Over millions of years, Pangaea broke into several pieces and some joined together again to form the continents we see now. Second question, there are many rapids and waterfalls at the eastern edge of the Piedmont. Answer, rivers have formed many rapids and waterfalls at the steep eastern edge of the Piedmont called the fall line. A waterfall is formed when a river descends suddenly from a higher level to a lower level. Rapids are formed when a river flows swiftly down an uneven slope. Third one, lumbering is an important occupation in North America. Answer, large part of North America is under forest. Therefore, lumbering is an important occupation of the people in many parts of the continent. North America is a major producer of lumber, plywood, wood pulp, and paper. Fourth question, forests are very important for Canada's environment, society, and economy. Answer, nearly half of Canada's area is forested, and about 75% of these forests are in the boreal zone. Logging and manufacturing forestry products are major industries in Canada. They contribute significantly to the country's economy and provide jobs for a large number of people. Hence, forests are very important for Canada's environment, society, and economy. All the short question answers and give reasons question answers are explained here. Dear students, go through it and learn well. Thank you. Have a nice day.